I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Maintenance mode suspends selected vehicle systems so you can service the Mazda CX-9 safely for up to 30 minutes while keeping diagnostics active. Start by parking on level ground, set the parking brake, and put the transmission in park. With the engine off, press the start button once to ACC. Do not press the brake pedal, so the vehicle electronics power up without starting the motor. This preserves battery life and prevents unintended movement while allowing access to vehicle service functions. To enter maintenance mode, first switch to ACC as described, then use the Mazda Connect touchscreen or commander dial to open settings, choose vehicle, and locate maintenance mode. Select maintenance mode and read the on-screen warnings carefully. When prompted, confirm entry and press and hold the on-screen confirm or physical button for 10 seconds to prevent accidental activation. The cluster will show a maintenance icon and a 30-minute countdown, so technicians can work without airbag deployment or steering lock interference, while essential electronics remain accessible. When work is complete, exit maintenance mode by reversing the entry. Cancel maintenance mode in settings or simply press the start button to cycle off and then start the engine, which restores all systems immediately. If you performed any battery service, wait 10 minutes after disconnecting the 12V battery before reconnecting to allow capacitors and safety systems to discharge and reset. If maintenance mode times out before you finish, re-enter via settings or cycle ACC and repeat the confirm hold 10-second step to continue safe servicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.